Welcome to Insta Legal. Today we are going to talk about a very important issue which has been cropped up by a judgment which has been delivered by Punjab Haryana High Court recently. So let's discuss whether a mother can be denied custody if she is having an extramarital affair. क्या मदर को बच्चे की कस्टडी से मना किया जा सकता है अगर ये प्रूव होता है कि उसके पास उसके एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर्स हैं? Before we proceed, let's first see what is the provision under the Act which gives the custody, which decides as to which parent will get the custody. As per Section 6 of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act, custody of a minor who has not completed the age of 5 years shall ordinarily be with the mother. Now, the principle which every court is guided by to decide the issue of custody is the welfare or the best interest of the child, which is mentioned under Section 13 of the Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956. Now, it is well settled principle of law that the courts which exercising parents parecia jurisdiction would be guided by the sole and paramount consideration of what would best subserve the interest and welfare of the child, to which all other considerations must yield. The welfare and benefit of minor would remain the dominant consideration. That is, the welfare or the best interest whichever parent is able to serve will get the custody of the child. So the Supreme Court, in one of the decisions, when it was faced with the arguments during the divorce proceedings, the divorce was granted by way of adultery committed by one of the parent. But the court opined that the grounds of divorce does not determine the custody of the child. The welfare is the only consideration which would decide the custody of the child, and no grounds of divorce would have any impact upon it. Therefore, the Punjab Haryana High Court recently has held that even if the mother is having any extramarital affair, that itself is not a ground to deny the custody of the minor child who was only aged 4 years to the mother, irrespective whether the father is able to prove the extramarital relationship in the divorce proceedings or not. Thank you very much.